Okay, so Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh, and today we am back with the new creative workout. And for this week, we will be doing something in which I will not tell you the equipment, whatever I'm using. I'll just show you, and you need to guess the name. Okay. So that's for the fun part. And now let's get on to the workout. So again, we'll be focusing on the full body as we are doing only 2 videos in a week. Ignore my puffy eyes. I was not well for last few weeks. So, but never mind. Let's get on to the Seva Vaheguru. Okay, so make sure if only my Seva will be worth if you are doing it at home. Okay, I'm using. You got it? Okay, moms. Now let's get on to it. So whenever I'm rowing, I'm actually squeezing my back muscles. So that's very important. Your elbow should be like this, and then you need to keep your back straight, align with the ground, chest out, and keep breathing. Exhale while pushing the weight, while pulling the weight, sorry. So you need to do this for 30 seconds and then 10-second rest, and all together 3 to 4 sets. If you would like, if you don't have this, then you can use this. Okay. So my group for the rowing, for the lighter weight, for the kids, you can use always use this. Okay. Okay. So for this, first you need to understand the position very well. So I'm going to show you the side version of it. Legs wider as per your shoulder. Okay. Knees soft. Keep the weight in front of you. Actually, you need to pick up the weight closer to your legs, as if ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਚੁੱਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਮ 'ਚ ਬਾਹਰ ਮੀਨਸ ਦੈਟ ਆਇਰਨ ਰੋਡ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਨੇੜੇ ਘਸੀਟਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਉੱਤੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਈਏ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ। ਤੇ ਬਾਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਕਿ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਇਰਨ ਚੇਨਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਯੂ ਜਸਟ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਹੋਲਡ ਇਟ, ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਟ ਚੁੱਕਣਾ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਲੈਗ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਚੁੱਕਣਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਤੇ back edge straight रहनी चाहिए, hip out and knee soft. Okay, so please take care of the instruction. Otherwise कुछ exercises ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ weight ਨਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ injury prone ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, but at the initial stage you may find it painful, soreness ਹੋਏਗੀ body 'ਚ, but that's completely okay. Now if you can't do it with this or you don't have this, then you can use my favorite. You get it? Okay, your kids must be having this. So now keep it overhead while standing up and do the squat. Okay, for squat again your leg should be wider, toes should be out, leg wider as per your shoulder length, back straight, arms straight but elbow soft. Go down, take the weight down, take the weight up, take the weight down, take the weight up. Okay. yes, again 30 seconds of set and then 10-second rest. Complete about 3 to 4 set Vibro. That's all we require. So that's all for today. 3 exercises all together, which gonna elevate your heart rate and boost your entire metabolism. So yeah, tip of the day, very important. Tip of the day, Vibro, I drink lemon water in the morning. So whenever I wake up, empty stomach, I just take lemon water, squeeze 1 or 2 lemon in it, and it is very good for your detoxification. Yeah. So that's all for today. Stretching, I just say leg stretching. You can do crusty lunges. Okay. So for crusty lunges, you need to actually take this leg knee up till your ankles. Okay. Look straight and do this. With the other leg same. लास्ट वाला नी जो है, जो पीछे वाला नी है, that you need to bring up till your the front वाला leg ankle. Okay. सॉरी मैंने थोड़े साथ चढ़े हुए ने तां करके मैं थोड़ा वोकैबुलरी पंजाबी इंग्लिश सब मिक्स कर रही हूँ, बट दिस इज़ हाउ यू नीड टू डू इट, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर असी अज लेग वर्कआउट किया फुल बॉडी एक्चुअली, बट वी हैव इंगेज कोर जो साडा लेग्स है मेजरली वो लेग्स बहुत ज़रूरी है करना, बिकॉज फीमेल्स वास्ते जो लोअर बॉडी तुहाडी स्ट्रोंग होएगी तो अपर बॉडी आपे ही तुहाडा जो कंज्यूम करना शुरू कर देगी फैट, तो belly fat या कोई भी spot जो तुसी चाहते हो फैट रिडक्शन, that is not possible. Your body gonna lose the entire weight altogether in one shot. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कंसिस्टेंसी, तो रेगुलरली वीडियोस फॉलो करते रहो वाइगू एंड कीप ऑन शेयरिंग. लव यू ऑल एंड वाइगू मेर करन सारियां ते ओवरकम. वाइगू वाइगू जी का खालसा, वाइगू जी की फतेह.